Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a MoneyGram account in 2025, and this will be applicable for any sort of future as well. So you want to search for MoneyGram account create, and then what you want to do is click on this send money option, and then it's going to load up to a website. Now at the top right you see register. We want to click right over register. And then you have to put in your email address. So I'm going to do that very quickly. And then you have to put a password. So I'm going to do that as well. And then you have to select what country you're from. So I'll do that extremely quickly as well. And once I'm done with all of these things, what I'm going to do is just click on next. Now, as you can see, they're asking for some of our personal information. So you're going to fill up all of that as well. And I'll do that in a second. Sorry, this is first name. And this is legal last name. And then we have to put in our date of birth and our home address and everything. So once you've done, you just need to click on create profile. And there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.